come back to bombastic nation and ting and ting and ting, I tell you. And we're going to lighten it up a bit and ting, you know. I need that little relaxation. I need to simmer a little bit. So, you know, I'm going to show up some best animal news bloopers. Let's see what kind of funny thing them animals going to do here, you know what I mean? So, you have some popcorn? You have some popcorn? Let's YouTube and simmer.
Yes, it's breakfast time here for the sheep.
Millie's my favourite. They look like calm sheep as well.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7, would you not eat my pants? Ah! This is great.
I'll take that.
Ooh! Left jab.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to tease you. I didn't mean to tease. I'm sorry.
I think you just got told by a monkey.
I did.
This is Chow. He's about 14 years old. He doesn't like the cold as much as the tigers, do ya? But he's choosing to be outside, and if it gets really cold, he can go into his den in the back. Right, Chow?
These 3 llamas showed up here Thursday night. Here we are almost a week later, and they're still roaming throughout the area. Neighbors say they're trying to find the owners, but no one has claimed them yet. And now they're trying to figure out what to do next.
I'm Scott Mattis live in Hernando, Mississippi, where there's been spottings of a cougar, and that's not it. That looks like a house cat, but we're just feet away from where a local man rolled his cell phone video on what some say is a cougar. I'll be right back with a live report.
¿Cómo? ¿Qué vino primero? ¿El huevo o la gallina?
She got falling out of place.
Enriqueta, le voy a pedir permiso un momentico a Enriqueta.
Oh, what is that, a llama? A llama want a piece of that reporter.
Police have confirmed that a big cat spotted by residents in East Ayrshire is not a black panther. An expert has been unable to confirm exactly what type of cat triggered a search that involved a police helicopter. It was spotted around 8:45 this morning. Somebody's making me laugh here. In fields near the B730 between the villages of Drongan and Cole Hall.
अबे गायें आ रही है भागती हुई बना ले एक शॉट में
Runaway cow.
अम्बे ना घुस जाए आगे
Oh, you better run me. Okay, see? Bumbleclad, no snake for me.
Hi.
That is not cool.
I made a friend. This is Reggie. Reggie is an 11-foot high.
Reggie wants
Yeah,
squeeze.
he's so nice. Look at him. You just want to support him.
He's holding on to me
Yeah,
now.
yeah. So you can support him, but and then yes, he kind of helps you out by grabbing onto you and holding.
Got it.
So this is amazing.
All right,
Thank you
yeah,
guys
this
so
is
much.
awesome.
Oh, you're so welcome. Thanks for having us.
Now, if you
Man,
want to...
forget that. I ain't messing with no damn snake.
I think he wants to give you kisses to
The brother
I
be
did watch
screaming
this
that thing,
Listen,
boy.
if you want to check out some of these critters
He's
for yourself,
dancing.
Oh my God! Come see. Look at that dog.
What?
That is so great.
Dog's ready to work.
Are they looking at that?
That's weird.
That's awesome. And cats, they're not usually known for their love of swimming, but one feline in Northern Virginia is hitting the water instead of the gym in an effort to lose weight. Holly is a 13-year-old cat who dislikes the outdoors and other physical activities, but with encouragement from her owner and weekly visits to the hotel.
That's animal abuse to make that thing get so big, man.
Holly has managed to lose 1 pound in 6 weeks.
Damn cat's struggling.
Stay with us, everybody. We've got a lot more to go.
You guys,
This is what you've been
I
missing.
told him that it was my first day anchoring, and the bird's laughing at me.
Yes, I guess so.
Oh my gosh. What do we have here?
We have here is called a Latin kookaburra.
That's annoying.
They are native to Australia, and you can find them in all habitats. What you're hearing right now is a territorial call, and this call is primarily dusk and dawn.
Проголосовать за снос включенного в программу реновации дома. У меня тут собака. Можно будет через интернет или в районном отделении МФС. Артем Васёв расскажет подробнее. Что у меня делает собака в студии, ребят?
Woman screaming
Я
is going
вообще
to excite the dog.
кошатница. Я кошатница, я люблю кошек.
It's okay. Come a little closer. I'm going to stay over here by Joni.
Do they know each other?
They hold him tight. Hold him tight. Hold him tight. Hold him tight.
You got it.
Tony, you got it.
The brother had enough.
See that?
Alligator wrestling.
Oh, yeah.
How's your wrist?
I'm okay, but
You haven't had that workout since,
hold them tight. That thing is strong. I got you, you all right?
I'm fine.
The tape, see, Scott's taped it. Oh, all right.
It helped. It helped with that.
I'm sorry.
All right. So,
Fine job.
And this cat has actually been entertaining us in the studio for about 15 minutes.
What's that?
He's back. I think I'll just hold on.
I think you might want to hold him for now. This is Mr.
I'm not a
Miyagi.
cat fan neither.
Sarah, take it away. Tell me about Mr. Miyagi.
That is me because he meows a lot, not because he
Not
jumps
because
a
he
lot.
jumps a lot. I think we overexcited and we had this little tail thing that we had him getting excited over during the commercial break, and he just literally, we saw it coming, but we didn't know it was going to happen on live television.
Now to the story of a pig that is inspiring others. One pot-bellied pig has certainly endured his share of problems. Chris P. Bacon was born without the use of his back.
Why are you laughing, dude?
I can't. You have to read this story.
Why are you laughing, dude?
We should not. Oh my God.
On the New York Stock Exchange, prices were lower despite a late rally. The trading was very active. Ed Berger's coming up in just a few moments. The Dow Jones Industrials closed down nearly 2 points. An average share of common stock gained 4 cents. More than 37 million shares were traded.
Oh, there's a bird in there or some kind of...
Our money reporter Ed Berger
A
is
turkey.
prepared, I think, to talk turkey on inflation. Ed?
Tony, you know, the current inflation problem has made it very difficult to get any bargains. Now, it seems appropriate.
Here, let me...
You have a turkey there, bro.
That is Diamond. A couple had stopped at the Subway in Grove City for some lunch when they saw this little dog barking and honking at its owner to hurry up. The video was posted on Facebook. Turns out this is not the first time
I love
Diamond
dogs.
has caused a
Cats,
ruckus.
yeah.
The pup has been seen around town doing this.
That is hilarious.
Todd's about to lose it. But seriously, what a sassy dog.
Look, the boss.
This is why we can't show Todd pet stories.
Can I find this in Arlington?
Oh, Lord. Here we go with the snakes again.
Let's see how long it is. Let's hold it out.
this guy is probably close
There's a
to 5
brother,
feet.
you know you don't want to be no
Texas rat
snake,
snakes are going
man.
to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area.
Get this thing off me, man.
this. Let's hold it out. This guy is probably close to 5 feet. Texas rat snakes are going to be one of the largest snakes that you find in the Metroplex area. Get this thing off me, man. Get this thing off me, man.
Whose skillet got a seizure?
Let's try to get that under control. Tell me the thing jumped. Well, God, dang. Okay, let's try to get our control.
That's a great reaction, boy.
You're all right. Yeah. So, the Texas rat snake can be up to 5 feet long, huh? That's right. Some of them can get upwards and approach 7 feet.
Hello, I'm Alvin Hall.
Okay, they're brother animals, man. They don't mix.
Okay.
If you ain't African, it won't mix.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Many investment schemes sprang up to take advantage of this investment opportunity. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year. I think
those ostriches love some chocolate.
One scheme offered investors a 50% return on their money within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, 4,000 investors lost down 20 million pounds, seeing signs of pounds in their future. Sorry, I know. Sorry. To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless, 4,000 investors invested 20,000 pounds.
Why are you standing on a bunch of ostriches?
Sorry.
Ostriches.
Sorry. One scheme promised investors a 50% return within 1 year. To me, that would have been a warning sign. However, 4,000
everybody's
people
going for a piece of the action, though.
20,000 pounds in one venture. And I went crazy. Several investment schemes sprang up to take advantage of this fabulous investment opportunity.
Okay, I knew that was coming. It was good for
Several
Flash.
schemes sprang up to take advantage of the financial potential of these birds. One scheme promised investors a 50% return on their investment within 1 year.
On the head.
To me, that would have been a warning sign. Nonetheless,
High five. High five. Oh.
Hi.
It's for you.
This is, of course, Dr. Kim Hammond and his friend Mikey. Mikey's like a toddler on crack.
This is Mikey. And I have to tell you, Mikey is an emissary for our lakes and our oceans and some of the I'm losing my chair now. A rapidly disappearing ecosystem. And Mikey can come to your house and you can go see him. Hold on, Mike.
Don't you want Mikey in your house, everyone?
He'll come for a visit and he'll teach your kids a little bit.
No,
Call
Mikey's
Animal Hospital. They'll give you the name, but
it's sit on this
called
here.
Party Safari.
All right.
All right.
What are you doing? What's down there?
Don't pull all the wires.
Oh, boy. Okay.
So anyway.
We're actually going to try to get to some questions. It's a little difficult. It's a little distracting. Not too much,
Why?
Just a little.
It's a normal day in the Hammond household.
Right. Let's try to get to a question. This is from Roy. My cat's diet consists of dry food and a treat of some moist cat food in the mornings.
Right.
He gets sick on occasion. The result looks like he didn't even swallow or chew his food. Should this be something to worry about?
No, it's not something to worry about, but you should definitely pursue that. And if, sometimes with cats, when they get sick, we use, it's hair related or
he's acting like a child.
Because the cats can throw up normally. So maybe use a little hairball medicine, give smaller portions, that kind of stuff.
All right, I'm a little lost now.
Non-fuss, okay.
Mikey got my scripts a little bit, but I think our next question is from Sherry.
Okay.
Is that right, folks? Okay. Great.
No,
Great.
pal.
Sherry says, I adopted a setter mix from the shelter after she had been
It's
home for
actually
6
getting
months.
boring.
She became very itchy and lost clumps of hair. It resulted read it off the screen. Maybe Mikey will read it.
Come here, buddy.
Okay, this is from Jay Hill.
I'm gonna end it here, man. That monkey's annoying as hell. Plop, 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 you know what I mean, and thing. Now, dogs is my favorite animals. I like fish, or as we say, fishes back home on the island, Land animals and me just don't mix. I have a hard time being around humans, much less to be around monkeys and dogs I could handle. But anyway, I ain't gonna babble too long, you know what I mean? This is a long one, so I'm gonna end it here and ting, you know what I mean? go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, you know. Like the video, man. Like the video. If you like my reactions, bust it up and thing, you know. And remember, always makes life cool runnings.